pose a challenge to you all. When you arrive at your home today, you will unfollow, or if it's the case, you will mute people that makes your social media a toxic and fake place. This could sound ridiculous, but if you are addicted like me, you will notice that your life will change, because you will see that people that exalt a perfect life in social media are just trying to find happiness like you. So, when you're scrolling down your feed on the Instagram, what are you really feeding? You are feeding the Kardashian, the family who created the reality show Keeping Up with Kardashians. This family looks like similar to others one that are rich, but they are more than that. They revolutionized the pattern of the Western beauty pattern. They revolutionized it. They create women to have a big breast and huge backside. So a lot of women nowadays want to be in the pattern, and they go to surgery tables just to be like them. So the youngest member of this family, Kylie Jenner, are into a polemic issue some years ago. In some of the Instagram pictures of her lips look bigger. And when she was questioned about that, she just said, "Oh, this was like makeup. I use makeup, and now I have this thing." She refused that she did lip filling. So people think, her followers think, "Oh, if she can't do that, everyone can do that." So they try to do a challenge. Wait, this is after and before, and she just said it's like a makeup thing. So they are proposed a challenge, lip challenge. And the challenge is, you catch a cup or like a glass or something like that, you suck out the air and you create a vacuum. So after that, you will be like Kardashian. Her lips will be like Kardashian. But this thing have a negative point, because girls start to have bruises, soreness, torn skins, and lots of stuff. And after all these things that happen with these girls that follow hers and thinks, "Oh, if I can't do that, no, if she can do that, I can't do that." She saw all the things that happened, and she admitted that she did lip filling after all of that. Or we can feed people bloggers who say to the people, to the followers or things like that, they can do exercise, diets, and even unfair fastings. So this is really, really prejudice for our health. But they think it's the way that we can lose weight, and we can do weight. So they do that. They do everything to lose weight, to be like Kardashians, or to be like the girl that I saw in my Instagram. So I have some accounts in Twitter, even in Instagram itself, that show this. Show people that want to lose weight as hard as possible. So they try to do bulimia and things like that. And this really get worse, the problem that we have with depression and stuff. And people don't care about that, because people just care about being like them. So I have to say some words here that I have, because I suffer a lot with that. I had a lot of problems with that because I was fat and all my friends are thin and they show in their Instagram photos with bikinis and stuff, and I'd be like, oh my god, why I cannot do that? Why I have a wall that I can't do that? It's a barrier that I cannot show my body because I'm not in the pattern. So guys, therefore, the search of happiness in internet is prejudicial because you will not find it. Because happiness is into us. And the mirror, our mirror, unfortunately, is not one that is in our wall, suspended in our wall. Our mirror is the eye of another human. So, it's the eye of another human. So we are having to do that. We are living for others. We are not living to us. So why we care too much about this? Why the perfection is to be like others? The reason why the challenge that I proposed is so important because when people realize that they cannot just be part of a trend, they will start to follow people that represent them and represent their ideas, and people that doesn't have fear to show their bodies, to show their hypothetical imperfections. You will see that you are like others. And we are humans, we're not perfect. So it's that. We are unique. We have nothing that has anyone like us in this planet. So we are beautiful the way that we are. So we have to love yourself because this act is a revolution in times of hate.